Welcome back to the Luvele kitchen. Today we're going to be using the Vibe blender to make our recipe, which is a paleo pumpkin gingerbread loaf. We love doing these quick loaf recipes in the blender jug. It makes things so quick and easy, hardly any washing up to do as well, which we all love. This one's a great recipe. We're going to get straight into it. So first up, we have 2 cups of whole almonds, and if you can activate them, then that's even better. And that's just a matter of covering them with some water, a little bit of salt, and leaving them to soak overnight. Then you can strain them and rinse them off, and they'll be ready to use. I'm going to now crush up these almonds in the blender jug by just pulsing it 4 to 5 times. Then we can add all of the rest of the ingredients. So now I'll go into the blender jug with the rest of the ingredients, and we're going to use the nut mode and blend it up for around 30 seconds until it's smooth. I'm also going to put the tamper into the blender jug lid so that I can push down the batter into the blades to help it along. So we've got 4 eggs, 1/4 cup of honey, 200 grams of raw pumpkin cut into small pieces, 1 cup of cooking dates, pitted and chopped, 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil or butter, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Once you've got an even batter, you can pour it straight into a loaf tin lined with some baking paper. We'll sprinkle some extra chia seeds over the top of the loaf and get it into a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius. It's going to bake for 45 to 50 minutes. So that's our paleo pumpkin gingerbread loaf, another great recipe that you can whip up using the Vibe blender. Perfect for afternoon teas. It's super moist and just perfectly sweet. Serve it up with a little bit of butter and enjoy. If you want to see more of these recipes and some more ways to use your Luvele machines at home, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it today, and we look forward to bringing you another healthy recipe soon.